YouTube? You already know the flip it is, bruh. And the last time I heard Meek Mill had a diss track out, it was possibly one of the worst diss tracks I have ever heard in my freaking life. But on this glorious, well, it's not really glorious because it's raining like hell outside, okay? This is the perfect day for Drake and Chill. And if you don't know what Drake and Chill means, it's basically when it's a rainy ass day like this, you sit at home in the corner of your room and you blast Take Care at least 50 times. But that's besides the point. In today's video, I will be giving you my first reaction to Meek Mill's diss track to The Game. Now, I don't know how this whole beef started because The Game got beef with Meek, he got beef with Sean Kingston, and if you don't remember who Sean Kingston is, he the same dude that brought you and all these beautiful girls. I don't remember the rest of the damn song, but he a damn singer, okay? I don't get it. Anyways, let's not waste no more freaking time. Meek Mill diss track to The Game. First reaction, by the way. Like you that nigga when you a fucking clown. You wanna rumble, I got the 30 on me right now. Shit! Right down. Bucking up the wrong tree, it's time to fight now. You was a stripper, nigga. You copped the plea on every beef you been. He told him a stripper! So, nigga, you's a... I can't believe this nigga, man. Oh! He... Shit! You had a thong up your ass. Now hook up for dollars. I got enough clicks, bitch. We can shoot up for... Yo! Oh my god! This... Oh! Damn. Strippers turn rappers. Look what we come to. Damn. You a faggot, my lady will never fuck you. Please don't tell me. 4 pound with the lemon squeeze like 7 liters. Ride niggas, I'm never with 40 niggas. Pro on your album, they got you making up stories, nigga. Stripper the rapper, rapper the stripper. You corny nigga. This what you do to sell your album? Oh. Only gonna sell like 15,000 the first week. Oh shoot! Yo! What the fuck? What? Where was this Meek Mill during the Drake situation? Damn, son! I'm from Philly, nigga. All we know is homicide. Weigh like 170, nigga. I don't fight. Do it with the guns and we can do it with the knife. Do this shit for fun, we can do this shit tonight. Cause we was never cool, nigga. You was just a hype. New Jack City, me and Gino on the bike. I'm sitting back with the ooze. That's your life, we go, pussy. This ain't about east or west neither, nigga. It's about niggas and bitches, power and money, riders and pumps. Nigga, you been a bitch, nigga. You don't do nothing that we do, nigga. You don't get down like how we do. We applying pressure on your bitch ass, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Niggas already know, man. Top Barcelona underball. And that was Meek Mill's diss track to The Game. Final verdict for this diss track. Somebody called the fire department because it's too damn hot in this room. Bro, I'm lost for words. I am at a loss for words right now, fam. This is some fire. Meek, keep doing it. Keep doing it, Meek. Keep killing these bitches, bro. I've been waiting, bro. Look. I lost hope in you, bro, when you lost to Drake. You know, a lot of people, they lost hope. But this right here, right here, cut. But yeah, man, final verdict for Meek Mill's diss track to The Game. Thank you, Meek. Thank you. This is the Meek we've been waiting for. If you guys enjoyed today's video, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, join the squad. I will catch you guys in the next video, alright? Ooh, thank you, Meek.